Okay, I got it ready to. I don't have a stand for my camera. It's gonna be one of those videos I've seen thousands of times. I don't know my channel. Do not know what I want it to be. But here's an unboxing, an opening of Injustice for All album. My second brand new album, also on gatefold. Ooh, what's in here? Sure. Oh, what's this? Is that a poster? Ooh, it's insert. Ah, yeah. This is nice. Ooh. Lyrics. This is awesome. Heavy breathing, but you know, I'm excited. I thought it was a gatefold. Oh, it's so heavy. Is there? How many? Oh, there's two. I didn't know there's two. Wow, I love it already. Oh, it feels so good. I don't know. Let me put you down. I'm gonna put you down. Can you see? I don't know if you can see this. Oh my Lord and Savior beat on it. This is. Oh my God. I'm getting chills. It's like one. Like two. Ooh. Oh, this is so. I don't know if you can see this. That's so nice. I love the sleeve too. Oh, it's on the and see on the groove. It is Metallica's printing press, I believe. I'll have to look it up. Made on the Metallica press, right in the groove, I'm gonna give this a look, listen to. It's so beautiful. Okay. I don't know if that's gonna look good or not, but you know, I'll find out. Oh yes.